Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. My hair looks a hot mess. It's been a while since I've done anything with my hair and it looks a hot mess. But today I'm going to be dyeing it. I wanted to change the hair color. I just been wanting a change, and I cut my hair. I really do want it to be a little bit lower. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I don't really think I'm going to talk you through it. I'm going to be using the Textures and Tones Flaming Desire. This is the one that I found like on YouTube, had like the best, it gave the best color for what I want. So this is the one we're going to be going with today. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, keep watching. My hair does look an absolute hot mess. Like, I promise you guys, it looks a mess, but y'all are gonna have to bear with me. All right. Hey guys, voiceover Tomi here, and I'm just here to walk you guys through the steps I took. Basically everything I did was really basic. I just mixed the dye according to the instructions in the box. I personally prefer just taking the dye out and, you know, doing it like how we do our wigs, have the brush, mix it up properly. I prefer that method, but I was pressed for time at this moment, so I just did it the way I could do it. Okay, so there's nothing special here about the application. You guys know that I cut my hair, so my hair is a lot shorter than it used to be. I'm kind of thinking of transitioning back. I haven't decided yet, still going over my options. Here I'm just rubbing the dye in. I wasn't really sure how I was doing it or how to do it. I was just looking in the mirror. I was also recording a TikTok here. I mean, yeah, a TikTok or a reel. So if you guys are interested, you guys can follow me on one of those platforms. It's definitely on Instagram. But yeah, anyway, so all I did was apply the dye to my hair, make sure I worked it in all the way. I tried to make sure I reached like every single part of my hair. Thank goodness my hair is short, so I basically used like half a bottle, and then I just used the rest just to use it because I couldn't keep it anyway. At this point, you can see that the color is already turning. It's kind of turning into a nice light brown, which is actually really pretty, but not what I was going for, of course. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm brushing or combing through my hair, making sure that product gets all the way to the roots, because that was what I was really concerned about. My roots are really kinky right now. My hair is growing back in, so I wanted to make sure that color got to the roots. So here I am just combing the color through, making sure it's all in there. I had to make sure I got my edges. I was pretty apprehensive about how I was gonna do my edges because I was scared that I would dye my skin. So there are some parts that a little bit of the black is showing afterwards, which you guys will see in the end clip. But yeah, it still looks pretty good. The only thing I've noticed since I've dyed my hair is that it looks like I have no hair in my temples, so it looks like I'm balding, but whatever. So basically what I did was I did that whole process, and then I repeated it with all the extra dye and made sure I got everywhere. I got all in there, just combing and just repeating the process. At this point, you can really see that the color is changing and it looks so good. It's just a really nice ginger color, but still not to where, you know, I want it to be. I still wanted it to be a little bit lighter. So yeah, I just went ahead and I smoothed my hair, and yeah, now onto the recorded line, because now this voiceover will be over. Yeah, okay, all right. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Now I'm gonna take a big piece of foil. I'm gonna Google how to get hair dye off my forehead because it's gonna be embarrassing. But I'm gonna take a huge piece of foil and wrap it around my head. Okay, so I think I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go wash it off because I actually really have something important to do today. So Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. All I did was maybe I'll do a styling video, but I'll just tell you guys what I did. All I did was I used Ego Styler Gel, and I also used setting lotion. Setting lotion is the truth. My hair has never been this flat in my life. Like, look, like, I'm not that, like, that's my scalp. Yeah, but yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I really do like what my hair is looking like right now. I love this color. I didn't get, like, I got all of it brown except for like these areas right here where I was kind of like a little bit hesitant because I wasn't sure if it was going to show up on my skin, which it didn't, but I wasn't sure if it wasn't, so I was a little bit hesitant like around my edges, but I got everywhere else just except for these two areas right here. But other than that, you guys, I'm feeling like that big. Okay, all right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.